Timeless concepts from Physics Helpline. In this video tutorial, we will discuss a multiple choice question on the possible equivalent resistances obtained when three equal resistances are combined in all possible ways. The question is as follows. Read the question carefully. We are given three equal resistances of 6 ohms each. When they are combined in all the possible ways, produces different equivalent resistances. Out of the four given options, we are required to find the one which is not a possible equivalent resistance obtained. Now for the answer. Three equal resistances may be combined in four different ways as shown in the figure. In the first case, we have all the three resistances are connected in parallel. In the second case, we connect all the three resistances in series. In the third case, two resistances are connected in parallel and the third in series with it. And in the fourth case, two resistances are connected in series and the third in parallel with it. Let us find the equivalent resistance in each case and then we can decide which one of the choices is not an equivalent resistance. The first case, three 6 ohm resistors are connected in parallel. The equivalent resistance is given by 1 by RAB is equal to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6, which is equal to 3 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 2, which gives RAB is equal to 2 ohms. We observe that option D is equal to this result. Now for the second case, three 6 ohm resistors are connected in series. Therefore, the equivalent resistance is given by RAB is equal to 6 ohms plus 6 ohms plus 6 ohms. Therefore, we get RAB is equal to 18 ohms. We observe that option A is equal to this result. In the third case, between the points A and C, we have got two 6 ohm resistors in parallel. Therefore, RAC is equal to 6 into 6 divided by 6 plus 6, which is equal to 3 ohms. Therefore, resistance between the points A and B is equal to RAB, which is equal to 6 ohms plus 3 ohms, which is equal to 9 ohms. We observe that none of the options is equal to this result. And finally, in the fourth case, resistance of the upper branch is equal to two 6 ohm resistors in series. Therefore, we call it RACE, ACB. RACB is equal to 6 ohms plus 6 ohms, which is equal to 12 ohms. Now, between A and B, we have got this 12 ohm and 6 ohm in parallel. Therefore, RAB is equal to 12 into 6 divided by 12 plus 6, which is equal to 4 ohms. We observe that option B is equal to this result. Therefore, we have the 3 ohm option is not an equivalent resistance, which is the answer to the question. Therefore, the correct option is C. This completes the answer to the question. Thanks for watching. If the video is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe.